In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player on JoJo Eyes of Heaven. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can set up a 2v2 match in Eyes of Heaven if you want to play together with a friend, so you plus someone else. Something that I need to make very clear is that, as weird as this may seem, Eyes of Heaven does not have local multiplayer, which means that you will not be able to connect an additional controller and play together sharing the same screen. This is extremely unfortunate. It is something that they changed in the newly released games, but for Eyes of Heaven, it does not have local multiplayer, so you will only be able to do this online. I just wanted to make that distinction very clear. All that you have to do if you want to play online with someone else is to go into the home screen and then go into the network tab. You will be able to set up online 2v2 matches in here. And of course, you can also do 1v1 against a friend if you prefer. Inside of network, go to online battle, which should be the first option selected by default, and you can choose between player match or rank match. For this video, I'm gonna highlight player match, but of course, if you want to compete for rankings, go to the option at the bottom. On player match, you will be able to do singles or doubles. If you want to play with someone else against two other random people, choose the secondary option, doubles. But if you want to play alone, then go to singles instead. When you choose either doubles or singles, you will see the options to join a match, browse through matches, or host one. I recommend hosting a match. This way you will be able to invite your friends and both of you will be able to share the room together. You can configure it however you prefer. So team setup, session type, and then time limit. Usually set it to public if you need to fill the other spots with randoms. Now when you get into the session, choose invite a friend. This will open up your friends list and you will be able to send them an invite to join this session. Once they accept the notification and the invite, all of you will be able to choose your characters and then get in game to battle it out. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player on JoJo Eyes of Heaven. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.